Well, I got set up all one more time here to thinking I would work on it a little more, but I just that's always the way it ends. I always find is like you just don't feel compelled to work on it anymore. You've ran out of things basically, and you just spend your time just looking at it, wondering what you should be doing. But anyway, it's definitely reached that end. So I was gonna just disassemble the setup. I always find that's an important step, is just like literally disassembling the setup, and then it's truly over. So, but yeah, I find I have to like literally put everything away for it to truly be over, or else I'm still thinking about the painting. And by disassembling it, it frees you up to basically start your next piece. But I just wanted to show real quick. I bought a frame for this painting, which is 18 by 24, and this is just from the Jerry's Artorama website. This is the museum collection plein air style frames, and they're very inexpensive. Type of frame that really does look good for exhibiting. They are closed corners, which means that the corners you can't see where the wood is joined. Basically, it's covered, and I call it closed corners. And so here it is with the frame. There. And I've used this style frame before here with a still life. You can see it's the same style plein air closed corner frames, and they're a good option, inexpensive option. I think this one that was 18 by 24 was about $100 or $110, something like that. Another great option for framing is PS Art Frames here. They're just north of Providence in Central Falls, Rhode Island. And obviously these are closed corners frames as well, but they're real 24 karat gold leaf. And they're made entirely from scratch right there at the studio there in Central Falls. And this is one with gold leaf. This one also was made by PS Art Frames, and it just has the inner lining of real gold leaf, and it's a black frame with the inner gold. And so there's the final painting in its frame. And as far as working on another piece, I always like to not know what I'm going to work on next. And have it be sort of a spontaneous thing, either later today or the next painting session on another day. But it's nice kind of having like an empty space, and you can set up something. But it's kind of nice not knowing exactly what it's going to be. It could be still life, or it could be landscape.